Swedish meatballs are a delicious and comforting dish that are perfect for a cozy night in. Here's a simple recipe to make Swedish meatballs at home. Ingredients. For the meatballs. 1. 1 pound ground beef. 2. Half pound ground pork. 3. Half cup breadcrumbs. 4. Half cup milk. 5. 1 egg. 6. Half teaspoon salt. 7. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 8. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. 9. 1/4 teaspoon allspice. 10. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 11. 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. For the gravy. 1. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 3. 2 cups beef broth. 4. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 5. Half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 6. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the ground beef, ground pork, breadcrumbs, milk, egg, salt, pepper, nutmeg, allspice, garlic powder, and finely chopped onion. Mix well until the ingredients are fully combined. Roll the meat mixture into 1 to 2 inch balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the meatballs are fully cooked and browned. While the meatballs are cooking, make the gravy. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk until a smooth paste forms. Gradually whisk in the beef broth, heavy cream, and Worcestershire sauce until the gravy thickens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the meatballs are cooked, transfer them to the saucepan with the gravy and stir to coat them evenly with the sauce. Let the meatballs simmer in the gravy for 5 to 10 minutes over low heat to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve the Swedish meatballs hot with your favorite side dishes, such as mashed potatoes or egg noodles. Enjoy your delicious and comforting Swedish meatballs.